Hey, technology enthusiasts. Welcome back to my channel, Tech Insider, where we break down the latest and greatest in the world of tech, wearables, and gadgets. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated smartwatch releases of the year, the Garmin Instinct 3. If you're into outdoor activities like hiking, running, or even adventure racing, you know that Garmin's Instinct series has been a trusted companion for many outdoor enthusiasts. In this video, we'll walk you through all the latest leaks, confirmed specs, and what you can expect from this new generation of Garmin's outdoor watches. To understand what makes the Garmin Instinct 3 so exciting, we first need to look back at what has made the Garmin Instinct series a staple in the outdoor smartwatch world. As with any highly anticipated tech release, leaks and rumors about the Garmin Instinct 3 have been swirling for months. One of the most exciting rumors is that the Garmin Instinct 3 will feature a complete design overhaul. The previous models were known for their bulky, utilitarian look, perfect for hardcore adventurers, but perhaps not as appealing for everyday wear. The Instinct 3, however, is said to strike a balance between rugged durability and modern style. Another significant upgrade to the Garmin Instinct 3 is its display. The Instinct series has always focused on functionality, which meant previous models had monochrome displays that prioritized battery life over visuals. The Instinct 3, however, is rumored to introduce a new high-resolution color display, making the user experience much more engaging. Imagine seeing detailed maps, health metrics, and notifications in vibrant color. Whether you're in the middle of a trail or just checking your steps for the day, this will make a big difference. One of the core features of any outdoor smartwatch is its GPS capability. The Garmin Instinct 3 is rumored to bring enhanced GPS performance that will take navigation and tracking to a new level. Another rumored feature is satellite communication, similar to Garmin's inReach devices. This would allow users to send SOS signals or messages even without cellular reception, making the Instinct 3 an invaluable tool for extreme adventurers who find themselves off the grid. The Instinct 3 is expected to feature significant improvements in battery life, with rumors pointing to the inclusion of solar charging, an upgrade from the already impressive solar capabilities found in the Instinct 2. This could include expanded notification support, contactless payments via Garmin Pay, and even music storage or streaming. With a sleeker design, enhanced GPS capabilities, improved health tracking, and longer battery life, it seems poised to set a new standard for rugged smartwatches. While we're still waiting for the official release date, all signs point to an imminent launch. So keep an eye on Garmin's announcements and stay tuned for more updates as they come in.